Okay, so 2017 Dodge Journey GT. So we'll be replacing front brake pad for this car. So we only need number 14. Just using 1 bolt. And then get this. Then just light it. All right, let's put it there. All right, okay. Move it. Alright, just clean it up. It's dusty. So we are going to retract this. We're using these tools and retract the piston. Go. Let's do it slowly. All right. Enough. Okay, good. Now I need to put the hardware. So after we put the hardware, lubricate the sliding pin. Just clean it up. Let's put some lubrication. Something in here. Let's put some lubrication. No more. Let's take a few more in here. Then also this one in this side. We do have extra in here. This one, you can use this one. Alright. Perfect. Alright, now let's put the brake pad. So let's compare it. Alright, it's all good. The same. Alright, so let's put some lubrication on the tip. Perfect. And now slide it sideways and then oh wait, there's my something to go, and then we can use this one. Just tap it like this. There you go. Perfect. So again, sideways and then tap this side. Same thing on the other side. Okay, so sideways, and then just lightly tap it. There you go. That's it. That's all good. So don't tap too hard. Alright. Now let's put this on. Set it. Perfect. Alright. Now let's just put this one bolt. Number 14. Perfect. And then let's just tighten it by hand. Alright. Okay. Alright. Okay. Perfect. Nice. All right, that's it. Done.